Google's Pixel 11 series has surfaced almost entirely through leaks this week, and the largest model has now appeared as well. A report by Android Headlines in collaboration with OnLeaks shows the Pixel 11 Pro XL and CAD renders, following earlier leaks of the Pixel 11 and 11 Pro. The three devices follow the same design, with size and battery continuing to be the main points of difference across the lineup. The Pixel 11 Pro XL in a flat-edge design and Google's familiar camera bar running across the back. The bar is now fully blacked out like on the other models. The Pro XL is expected to feature a 6.8-inch LTPO AMOLED display, with a 120Hz variable refresh rate and a peak brightness potentially reaching 3,300 nits. The Pixel 11 Pro XL is expected to run on Google's Tensor G6 chipset, with a possible switch to a MediaTek modem. RAM is likely to remain at 16 GB. A triple rear setup likely consisting of a 50MP main sensor, a 48MP ultrawide, and a 48MP telephoto with 5x optical zoom. A capacity between 5,200 mAh and 5,500 mAh, with 45W wired and 25W wireless charging support. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.